QuickBooks POS is being phased out. Instead, use Shopify POS. If you operate a business and use QuickBooks POS, you may have heard that QuickBooks is abandoning its POS system. While this is unfortunate news, there is a silver lining. Shopify, one of the major e-commerce platforms, has an excellent POS system that can easily replace QuickBooks Point of Sale. In this video, we'll go through some of Shopify POS's important features and why switching is a smart choice. Ease of use. One of the best features of Shopify Point of Sale is how simple it is to use. The UI is simple and easy, so you'll be able to start using it right away. Furthermore, Shopify provides outstanding customer assistance in the event that you do encounter any issues. Click the link below to speak with a specialist about if switching is the best option for you. Feature-rich. Shopify POS has all of the functionality you need to run a successful business, such as inventory management, order monitoring, and reporting. Perhaps most importantly, Shopify connects easily with the rest of the Shopify platform. So if you're currently using Shopify for e-commerce, switching to Point of Sale will be simple. Affordability. Shopify's price options are relatively affordable, especially when you consider all of the features available. Before committing to one of Shopify's monthly subscriptions, you can join up for a free 14-day trial to test out the system. Overall, switching from QuickBooks POS to Shopify POS is a no-brainer, so why delay? QuickBooks POS is being phased out, but don't fear. Shopify's feature-rich and user-friendly point-of-sale system has you covered. Any shop owner seeking for a dependable and economical option should consider making the transition. So, what are you looking forward to? Try out Shopify POS right now. To speak with an expert one-on-one, please click the link below.